William fam. So as you see, your girl's in the bathroom and I am at it again. I am actually doing a video for you guys. And yes, so I'm actually doing a video right now, but I'm getting dressed. Yeah, I got a few things that I gotta do. So, and I'm here getting glammed up. Yes, I have a few things I gotta do within the house. I got a few videos that I have to make. So that's what I am currently doing. Look, I got a little pigtail. I don't mind my hair. Yeah, it's actually into, braided up into. So don't mind my hair. I am just here getting my makeup together and I'm listening to some tunes, but you know, because of the copyright, I ain't putting up in the tunes up in there, but it's a bad playlist. I haven't, I would love to do a playlist for you guys on the type of music that I listen to, but unfortunately, copyright, I can't even do that. And if I do, I would the only way I could actually do the playlist, so I could listen to the music, but I would just have to put the words of the songs that I'm listening to, or the artist and the song title of that in the link, or basically on the music button. I just wanted to come by and said I hope you guys are having a blessed up day so far. I know you're still inside and I wanted to know, what are you guys doing in your quarantine time? How are you spending your quarantine time? And as you see, I am back from my break and I am brighter, smilier. I am back, I'm brighter and I'm happier. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I have been pushing out. You notice I took a break and you guys are still getting content because I told you, your girl's a hustler. I hustle. I make sure, like, listen, when it comes to something that I love doing, I have a passion for it, I make sure I go 100. It's been hard to been going 100 because I had school and all, and school took up most of my time, but I have some free time now because, like I said, I got the free time now to do some stuff. But the thing that sucks is your girl is trapped inside the house. I have so much content for you guys, but it all involves doing stuff outside, and well, with the weather being warmer, well, it's getting there, because as you see, your girl has on some summer outwear right now. I'm just ready. I'm over the cold. I'm ready for Canada to get warm, even though we probably still can't go outside. But still, at least I'll be able to like go on the balcony and stuff like that and go in my girlfriend's backyard. So I just need, oh my gosh, I need a ray of sun. You see my melanin skin? I need a nice glow. I need to feel that sun against my skin. But anyways, so I am just going to finish getting my face beat, and yeah, then I will be back to show you guys what I am up to. I'm still trying to figure out what to cook for dinner today. I wanted to do something different, but I don't know if I have the stuff to do it. So that now is where my debatation comes in. So yeah, I'm gonna see. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna see what Mario feels like eating today. I definitely want to try some new recipes. If you guys would like to see more cooking video, let me know as well. Oh, look at my little baby doll. Oh my goodness. And yeah, so, and thank you guys. I just wanted to also say thank you guys for everyone that, you know, has wished me well and told me to take a break. Thank you for that. It was a well-needed break. I definitely needed it. There has been so much going on behind the scenes and with school and everything else, like trying to get the business together, and just, yeah, it's a lot. But for me, I know I could handle certain projects and so much projects at once. That's why I usually take them on. But there was just some other stuff that I had to set in place, and home projects and everything like that. But I'm in a much better space now, and then I guess with COVID it didn't even make it any easier. But now that I'm in a much better space, and thank the man above, I tell you guys, nothing beats prior. Like, you know, you just, and when you feel that you need that downtime, take it. Sometimes your body is telling you to take it, because like, and I've been off my iron pills, so your girl's eyes have been, oh, I hate taking pills. Yeah, so and then you know, having low iron too, sometimes you're just, oh, so blah, spirits are down, whatever. But you know what, I am back and I am brighter and have more, you know, than before. So, and I'll continue to push out as much content I can for you guys. And yeah, like I said, if you guys do have any video ideas, definitely let us know. I would like to, if you guys want to do want us to do another Q&A, send us your questions. You can inbox me either on IG if you have it, Snapchat if you have it, or the email is in the description below. You could also email me as well. And if you guys have, or even in the comments, you could put it in the comments on videos that you guys would like to see us do as well. I know I talked about doing live on Saturday, I think Saturday nights, but I didn't get that much response from it. So this is the reason why we have not gone live since we went live last time, because yeah, there wasn't a lot of people that come in. And for those are in Canada time, I'm not sure where everybody is from, but when I put the time as like 10:30, it's 10:30 Canadian time. I know if you're in Jamaica, that's 9:30 in Jamaica time. I know certain parts, and I think like we're 6 hours ahead of England. It's based on where you guys are. So when I put like a Pacific time, I usually, like if I put 10:30, then that is Canadian time. So check to see, I'm not sure if it switches over into your guys' time, because maybe if it was like 10:30 I put to premiere a video, it might say it's 9:30 in your guys' time. So I'm not sure, but if anybody knows, can you let me know in the link below as well? That would be greatly appreciated, because I was always wondering that, like when I post videos, because I know like there's certain time Jamaican Canadian are not on the same time right now, so the times are totally different. And I know like I have followers from Belize, like, you know, Belgium. I have followers from England. Well, not followers, I call you guys, I have fam, my internet fam. My followers are the ones that don't like me. So I have my internet fam, and I have my followers that just watch out my life just the sake of they want to watch and want to fast, which me never understand when it comes to that with people. How you want to watch out people's life when you don't like them, eh? Alright. Enough of that. That was just a little bit of Jamaican pot, and now I'm back to my Canadian ways. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish beat my face and I'll be back. Hey guys, yeah, so as you can see, this is the product. I finished my hair and my makeup. I did what, maybe 2 videos for you guys. Yes, so definitely you guys will be seeing those. I'm taking a break right now. I gotta do some editing, and well, the girls are here listening to some music. This one, she took out her hair. She looks like the lioness.
I was gonna take it out fully. I'm just gonna take out like the top part and make you braid it back, but then you left side, I still got the whole thing.
That is what we're doing. So we're just hanging out and yeah, taking a break. Oh Lord, taking a breather. Probably gonna catch up on some shows, and then I'm going to go make dinner. So yeah, that's pretty much quarantine life, you know. Dinner gets made early and I get to spend time with the girls. I get to catch up on all my stuff that I haven't catch up, people's vlogs that I haven't watched. I was catching up on what is it called, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta with Spice. Yes, so okay, I haven't watched all of that, so I was catching up on all of those things. So that's what I've been doing, because well, school had me so busy I wasn't even able to do any of that. But now I have. Oh, look at it. See the lighting in here? The sun is coming in. I don't want to open up the blinds too much, because the other thing is, open up the blinds too much, it gets so hot in here. The other day it was so bloody cold, I ended up having to turn back on the heater.
And then it got so hot.
And then it got so hot and now it's cold again. So it keeps
wrong. There's literally something wrong.
I don't know. Global warming, guys. Global warming is what it is. So yeah, that's okay. I'm nice and glammed up in my house. That's okay. I feel motivated. motivated and I am ready to take on the world, take it by the horn. So yeah, just a little positive voice, a positive outlook. Anytime you guys are feeling down, just if you can, dress up. Try and do your hair if you can do your hair, and you'll see how much better you feel. You just feel so much better, especially when the sun's shining. When the sun's shining, I feel amazing. I feel just, oh, and when the sun is on me, I feel so alive. But I'm even more alive when I am home. I just feel like I could conquer anything, take over the world. I used to ask Mario, when we first met, I always used to ask him when he wakes up. I used to say, oh babe, what are we doing today? He's like, trying to take over the world. You know, Pinky and the Brain, whosoever watched Pinky and the Brain, give this video a thumbs up if you watched Pinky and the Brain back in the days. Oh my lord, that was my show. So that was always his saying, and even till this day, when I get up and I was like, okay babes, what do you feel like doing today? Take over the world. I was like, literally, you're gonna take over the world? So that was always like his thing to say to me all the time. But yeah, you guys, I hope you are all doing great and you're keeping safe, because you know this thing is still here. Keeping safe. See, oh look, you see how long this hair has dried? Like, oh, I love it, love it, love it. So I know I'm so off topic right now. Yeah, so I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are maybe trying out some new recipes. If you guys have taken up new hobbies, let me know. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a sewing machine and start sewing back, because I used to sew. Well, at least I am back. I'm reading, so, and yeah, it's good. I got this book so long ago. If you guys have not read this book, this is such a good read. I love books like that, especially motivated books. That is my thing. Like, I love it. And if you have not read The Secret is such a good book to read as well. I watched the documentary, but I like the book. I like reading the book, and I thought it was really, really good. So, and a lot of times, like if I'm even feeling down too, I refer to certain things, and I refer to my Bible, and you know, just know that no matter what you're going through, nothing lasts forever. And just like I said, every day is a new day, and it certainly is. You know, one minute you're up, the next minute you're down, but you gotta build yourself back up, because once you're down, it's sometimes hard to get up. And then when you're down, sometimes you just spiral. You spiral into that downwards and locking yourself off from the world and everybody and itself. And that is not good, because that's when you head into depression, and that's the worst state to be in, especially in a time like now. I know it's so hard not to get into a downward spiral, because a lot of you are thinking where your next meal is coming from. You know, there's no one there to help. Time to head downstairs. Oh, my neck. Ow, I think I crooked my neck. I slept so bad, and now this side hurts, so I can't turn my neck fully on that side. Oh, it kills. It's so funny, because the other day this happened to Mario, but Mario fell down the stairs, I guess, when he was talking to Rogers on the phone.
Rogers doing so bad now.
Rogers looked like they gave him a price, and him just came flying, like literally he flew down the stairs. And then after that, he woke up and he had neck problems. Like literally had neck problems. So that is what happened. And then now, like, his is better, and it's actually the same side too. It's the right side. Yeah, because he had the same problem on the right side, and I had the same problem. So there's Miss Rissa over here playing with toys.
Mom, I just took out all the marshmallows out of the Lucky Charms.
So she's playing with her toys. Memphis is upstairs. I don't even know what he's
shower. You need to get out of the bathroom so I can go bathe.
Oh, my neck. The sun is shining. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make some wraps. But I've got my seasoning, blend up some seasoning. So I definitely did that, and my blender almost burned up.
Mommy almost burned on your place.
My blender almost burned up, because I don't know. So yeah, I made some more of my seasoning, just to make it my marinated sauce, just to make it so much more easier to
cook.
get the stuff done when I'm ready to get them done.
Yeah,
did you put the vinegar in the water?
No, I put it in here.
Put it in. I'm gonna start cooking.
Risa.
So I'm going to probably put up my hair, and I'm gonna get that meat seasoned up and cut up. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing. Can you are you gonna do the thing to make the salad? That should be enough. My helper helping me today. We're just gonna do some tacos. So some wraps. It's gonna be a wrap dinner day. Wrap, and I'm making salad, so I'm actually gonna put this, shred this, and put it in some cold water with put some of them on there, and then I gotta clean it off.
It's not good. I'm gonna finish. The cheese is done. And I really want to make the salad.
So the rest I am putting in the pot here. Okay, so we'll let that marinate, and I'm gonna go check on the other chicken. I've pretty much finished. The chicken here is done. I'm gonna take it off. So salad is ready. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I got the lettuce for the wraps, and then I got the cheese. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge. The chicken's just cooking. Rice is finished, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna set the table and stuff like that, and then we're all going to eat. Yeah, so the kids and Mario got upstairs, so I'm waiting till everything's finished, then I'm gonna set the table, and then we're all just gonna have dinner. I'm gonna go wash up a couple of plates that was in that I used and put it in the sink. So I'm gonna go do that now. Alright guys, so everything's pretty much finished. I just turned the stove down. I'm waiting for Mr. Williams to go shower, and then we are going to eat. Well, I don't know whether he's gonna go shower before he eats or eat before he showers, one of the two. So I'm just gonna finish. The juice and stuff is ready, and the table is already set over there. As you can see, I gotta get the salad dressing and stuff and put on the table. So that is what I am going to do. Record a video for you guys today, another one. But I don't know, I'm debating. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I might do it after dinner. It's a sit down video, or I might do it another day. Yeah, I did about four videos for you guys today in one day. 4. Let me tell you, you gotta put in, you gotta work. So that's what I did. 4 videos today. Dish out some rice, and that is it. See, we're all set to eat dinner. The light is a little bit off. Pass the plates or something. Go away. Sure. Thank you. That's the other 2. Okay, the grill is on, so whether you guys want to grill and go and make your food. It's supposed to be hot. Alright, so yeah, we're about to go dig in, have some food. Mr. Williams over there in the corner. And then there's salad, so if you guys want salad, there's chicken. So Williams, he needs a haircut.
Who need a haircut?
You!
Why?
So you're gonna say hi? Say hi to everybody.
You need a haircut too?
Yeah, you do. You need a haircut.
Don't do me.
Ew, you need a haircut. So guys, I was just coming by to say bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. And if you have not subscribed to William Fam, subscribe. What are you waiting for? I see you always reoccurring and watching the videos. So subscribe and join the family. And we will catch y'all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
First, I know this is really love. Cause baby, I'm feeling love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl, I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.